this world where the sunbeams play. I'm a flash of gold, I'm a star today. With a wiggle of my tail and a flick of my fin, let the magic underwater dance begin. The pebbles are blue like the deep, deep sea, and every little bubble is a friend to me. Glub, glub, little fishy, swishing through the blue. Glub, glub, little fishy, making bubbles just for you. Round and round in my crystal home, in an ocean of glass I love to roam. See the tiny pebbles so smooth and so bright, glowing in the window's morning light. I peek through the leaf playing hide and seek, with a silver bubble on my golden cheek. A castle of sand and a forest of green, I'm the bravest explorer that you've ever seen. Drifting low in a magical golden glow. Shadows may dance as the clouds pass by, but I'm chasing the rainbows from the sky. 1, 2, 3, catch a bubble with me. Glub, glub, little fishy, swishing through the blue. Glub, glub, little fishy, making bubbles just for you. Round and round in my crystal home, in an ocean of glass I love to roam. Stars will come out as the room grows still, resting on the edge of the windowsill. My scales are like jewels in the soft moonlight, watching over you through the quiet night. A little golden wish in a bowl of dreams. Life is more wonderful than it seems. The water is clear, the day is new. I'm a tiny golden dream for you.